everyone. Today I want to share something deeply personal, something that lived in the way I talk, the way I dream, and the way I want to teach one day. This is my reflection on my Filipino identity and how it shaped the educator I am becoming. Growing up, Filipino means growing up in the world filled with values that quietly guide us in every single day. One of the strongest values that shape me is pakikipagkapwa-tao, our natural ability to treat others with respect, empathy, and humanity. Whether it's helping a whether it's helping a neighbor rebuild after a typhoon, sharing food when we have little, or simply offering a smile to someone having a difficult day. Filipinos see people not as strangers, but as a fellow human beings. Another value is pagpapahalaga sa pamilya. Every, everything we do, every decision, every sacrifice, always, always points back to the people we love. My family's unwavering support became the reason I learned resilience and hard work. And of course, Tatag at Bayanihan. We are the people who rise after every typhoon, every hardship, every challenges. Our strength is quiet but powerful. It shaped me to become someone who doesn't easily give up. These Filipino values are not just a lesson from my childhood. They are the foundation of who I am today. Being Filipino is more than citizenship. It is a lived experience, combination of joy, struggle, humor, and heart. I, I am Filipino when I show kindness. I am Filipino when I show respect by saying po and opo. I am Filipino when I choose kindness even when life is difficult. I am Filipino when I remain hopeful even when the world feels uncertain. But being Filipino also means carrying the responsibility of representing our culture with pride. We are often stereotyped as resilient, but our identity is more than surviving. It is about loving, creating, sharing, celebrating, and uplifting others. To me, being Filipino means choosing hope every single day. And it is something that I carry with me as I move toward my future profession. One salawikain that truly reflects my identity is kung ano ang itinanim ay siya rin ang aanihin. This proverb shaped how I understand life. It reminds me that every effort I invest in relationships, in studies, in my dreams will eventually return to me in some form. It taught me responsibility and patience. It taught me that small actions matter. In my identity, this alawikain reflects my beliefs in purposeful growth. I learned that who I become is shaped by the seeds I plant today. If I plant kindness, I will harvest connections. If I plant hard work, I will harvest opportunities. If I plant passions, I will harvest meaning. This Filipino saying keeps me grounded and gives direction to the kind of educator I want to become. As a future educator, my Filipino identity becomes my compass. Pakikipagkapwa-tao will help me build a classroom where students feel seen, valued, and supported. Pagpapahalaga sa pamilya will guide me in understanding that every learner carries their own story, shaped by their home and community. Tatag will help me stay strong throughout every challenges, whether it's limited resources, difficult days, or unexpected setbacks. Anda sa lawikain, kung ano ang itinanim, ay siya rin ang aanihin, reminds me that everything I do as a teacher becomes a seed. Every lesson, every encouragement, every simple, kaya ra lagi na nimo, kaya ra na nimo, padayon lang ayaw ug surrender kay kaya ra na nimo. Contributes to my harvest my students will reap in the future. My Filipino identity doesn't just influence my profession, it defines the kind of educator I want to be. And as I end this reflection, I want to live a challenge, not only for my future students, but to everyone that will hear my voice. Plant the seeds of who you want to become. Again, plant the seeds of who you want to become. Choose actions that reflect kindness, courage, and integrity. Carry your Filipino identity with pride because it is a source of strength that can change lives. I am Filipino. I am shaped by my culture, my values, my people. And as a future educator, I am ready to use that identity to inspire others. And that would be all. Daghang salamat.